we go straight and then that's your problem sometimes. You never listen.
There?
No. You like it?
I never. Yeah,
Why there are so many?
Turkish people, we are.
오늘 안내해주신 매니저님이시고 굉장히 열정이 있고 패기 넘치시는 분이셔서 특히 그런 분 좋아하니까 저도. What happened to you, by the way? Why there are so many?
I don't want to talk about it.
Are you scared?
No, I'm not scared. Should we wait?
What do we have today once again?
Yeah.
Right before Ramadan, what do we have?
We pray too much. Pray. And tonight they have a special organization around here. We can see something, but should we wait like this for going? I'm not sure.
Too long. Trust me, I don't have to go inside.
Really?
Yep. It looks like they're under construction. They are fixing something inside.
Yeah.
Okay.
For the first time, they was in church. Then
Church?
after
Okay.
Ottoman Empire, they were in mosque. Then after Atatürk time, I think, they were a museum. But now there is a mosque right now. The Muslim people can pray in there. They know actually.
We go straight and then.
Are you sure? Okay, we are going to Karaköy right now by walking.
Check out my
But,
menu.
no, thank you.
You take my menu.
No, thank you. Of course I'm not. Why I wanna take your other face? Forget it. Now we are going to Kadıköy. No, not Karaköy.
No, English please. Or Korean?
Okay.
Because you should know that this is for Korean people.
안녕하세요, 광민 씨.
No, 광민 씨, 아저씨. 안녕하세요, 아저씨 please.
네, 안녕하세요, 아저씨.
Okay, 아저씨, good.
밥 먹었어요?
나이 안 먹었어요. That way.
Okay, this is our problem. We don't know the way, but we are going. Okay, no problem. Just
I know
right.
the way.
Thank you.
I know the way.
Okay, yeah, he knows the way. I'm sure.
So easy. All we have to do is just make him just going straight. For 30 minutes.
Okay, we are
But
walking.
there is a public bath here, which is
Public
famous.
bath? Do you want to
Turkish
try
bath.
public bath? Sure.
But many
If you
tourists-
want, believe me, I can do something. for you.
that's your problem sometimes. You never listen. Yeah, this girl never listens.
You want to read there?
No. What is it? What is it about?
There is a high school.
Okay, go ahead.
So, Ottoman Empire
Okay.
and still famous.
High school?
Yeah, high school.
Okay.
You see the building? I'm so short. I cannot see it, but maybe you can.
Yeah. High school.
Hello.
Yes. And then we have AK there. It's a really traditional AK, right?
Look. I never.
Traditional AK. Oh, we have traditional Safa too. Here. Do you like it?
I never. Just be careful. Try to take it.
So can I just a piece chocolate?
Go back.
Oh, come on. Not the hang, okay. What about chocolate, please? Chocolate. Okay, yes.
Okay.
Siz neresiniz ama? Türksünüz galiba.
Sorry. Yeah.
So what do you want to feel?
So this street, we have too many fake things. Shoes, pants, everything is fake. Sometimes.
People?
No. No.
무스르 차르슈. What is that for?
He
Is that-
speaks Turkish well,
So
actually.
you have to tell them about this thing. Why this one? Why night lights? Why?
Yeah, for
Why
the
there are so
honeymoon.
many shops that sell those kind of things?
Actually, we should ask the question to man. It's not about us. And also, these are some traditional caps. We use that for drink coffee from Ottoman Empire time.
I mean, did you answer that? Why do you have so many those kind of things?
Ah, why we have? Because actually, Turkish people, we are don't know so much think about sex because of some cultural things and also religion. In Turkey, we don't have enough education or we don't know too much things about sex. So when we see any things like this, we always excited. Oh, what is it? Oh, this is normal thing. You understand me?
Maybe.
Of course you didn't listen me again, right?
Yeah, there are so many people here.
Yeah, so many people here. First, today is Friday, and second, tomorrow is Ramadan's first day. So too many people want to do shopping.
So you guys want to eat whatever you want before Ramadan, right?
Yeah, this is the last day. So I want to eat something, please.
Ah, that makes sense.
Yeah. Thank you. What is it here?
What is that for? But it's like a grand bazaar. It's not different.
Like this, but not.
But they have like a jewelry in there. 한약 냄새가 나네요. 한약 냄새가. It's hot inside. Don't you think so? So the Galata, the bridge. is really-
Kamata Bridge. This way. This side you can go to on this side again with ferry.
Okay.
If you want, you can go to Karaköy with this bridge.
Are they a restaurant owner? They catch fish and they sell there? Everyone's fishing there. So everyone is like a restaurant owners.
No, actually they don't sell.
Oh, really?
You can catch. Fisher ajushi.
I'm eating 양탕, ship. 도가니탕 같은데 양으로 만든 도가니탕. Say 도가니탕.
도가니탕.
Yeah, 도가니탕. We have it, but it's really good. But 조금만 덜 짰으면, 좀만 덜 짰으면 진짜 좋았을 텐데. Too salty.
Can I try?
Yeah,
I'm gonna try it.
it's good, but too salty.
Ah, this is yüksük.
고추.
Pepper or spice, something like
Oh,
this.
this is salt. Oh, no more salt.
Do you need more?
No. You know, I love pepper, so I know I have a crazy taste. Okay.
Now,
Oh, yeah, much better. Yeah.
맛있어?
Yeah. Give a job again. Your job. Yes. That's good.
For alcohol, I like this citrus.
International homeless now.
I always work.
Oh, maybe I should change my name of channel. International homeless.
Wow, more interesting than now. Yeah, you can try.
You said alio when you answered the phone?
Yeah, no, normally it says just hello.
What is that? What do you mean?
Oh, okay, let's go back.
That way? Oh, there are some crowd. Let's go.